Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now I am need to download driver Canon TX5353a serial and this have the your type the driver driver download and please why I am search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download. This here for the official website and click here. Is why website loading. Okay, this is for support TX5353a and you scroll down, you click here for driver and this here for your operating system, detect automatic your operating system. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for the all operating system. Uh, of this here for the operating system for Mac 12 and Mac 11, the new operating system. This here for the Windows 11 and new operating system. Okay, this I'm sure for you for the Mac 12. Mm, this here for the type automatic your update the driver automatic for your Mac 12, and if you use operating system Mac 12, this here for the detect automatic your operating system and install and scan. Okay, uh, this here for the Linux. This what? This here for the Linux the driver package, and this here for the individual driver, and for the TBN package. Uh, you look in the operating system. This here for the language support. If you need download, you click the download. Okay, click the download package. I am recommendation for you download package driver. Uh, this here for the uh, software print package. You select operating system again. This video you need to download for the Windows 11. You click here the Windows 11 driver. This here for the Windows 11 support for the driver. This here for recommended for you. This here for recommended your website and your download for recommended. Support driver full printer and scanner driver and functionality for your product. You scroll down this here for the setup package, your individual driver, Windows and multimedia, multifunction, print security, and the driver is like here for the software, select your operating system. This here for the software for the Windows package for the driver recommended for you. You support a driver, support the software. Uh, Scroll down again for the Wi-Fi. Check available Wi-Fi and network install. Okay, for the support for the Wi-Fi and G printer assistant tool, printer registration. Check for available download and, and poster this. Scroll down. You see for the scanner uh, scanner utilities is application that allow your easy scan photo, and this here for the easy layout editing. If you need a download, you check available download. Okay, for the individual for the Wi-Fi connect individual software. This here for the package driver uh, support the. I'm sure for you your detail more information. Your com- compatibility, your complete operating system, your support for the Windows 11 and uh, language many support, system recruitment, and this here for the setup, tutorial, installing product file, and this here for the support your printer, your Wi-Fi, and support for the will be download and install driver. You need to set up and utilize your product and assume complete you will be to install software behind to install software and the product's functionality. This here for the support your this driver support your printer, your scanner, your Wi-Fi. This here for the support. Okay, if you need install driver for your printer, your download here. Click here download. Okay, this here for the driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you click here run as driver, and driver as start, and you click next and finish. This here for the detect automatic your operating system. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my channel. See you bye next time the video.